Alright, welcome to this amazing class once more. This is your Igbo L2 NECO 2015 for JS1 to JS3. Igbo L2. So please pay attention as we continue. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe to the channel now. Thank you very much. We are going to start from number 35. Last time we stopped at number 34. So today we'll start from number 35. Okay. Gịnị ka number 35. Gịnị ka a na-ekele ma let me zoom this thing. Gịnị ka a na-ekele ma eteta ụra ụtụtụ? A is ehihie ọma, B is ịlọla, C is ka chi bọọ, D is mgbede ọma, E is ụtụtụ ọma. Ụtụtụ ọma is the answer, which is good morning. What do they greet in the morning when you wake up? What do they greet? It means what? Ụtụtụ ọma, which is good morning. Number E. Okay, let's proceed. Number 36. Kedu nke bụ ekele a na-ekele onye na-eme njem ebe a? The greeting that are being given to the person that is traveling is what? A. Ijeọma, B. Ka o mesịa, C. Lagbo, D. Ndewo, E. Ọ dị mma. The answer to number 36 is A, which is Ijeọma, safe journey. That's what it means. Ijeọma means safe journey. Let's go to number 37. Number 37 there. Number 37. Ndị Igbo na-ekele ekele ndị a ma ewepụ A. Ịbọọlachi, B. Ịpụtala ụra, C. Ịsaalachi, D. Sei gobe, E. Ụtụtụ ọma. The answer is D, which is say gobe. Igbo people don't say gobe. Say gobe means see you later. It's an Hausa language. Sai gobe, see you later or see you tomorrow. Yes, see you tomorrow. Yes, see you tomorrow. Say gobe is an Hausa language. That's the answer. Okay, let's look at number 38. Let's look at number 38, which is ehihie ọma pụtara dash good. Okay, A. Afternoon, good afternoon, B. Good day, C. Good evening, D. Good morning, E. Good night. Ehihie ọma. Okay, that one means the answer is A, which is afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Okay, let's look at number 39. 39. Olee ekele a na-ekele onye na-arụ ọrụ? Which greeting that is being given to the person that is working? A. Daalụ, B. Ịlọla, C. Imeela, D. Jisie ike, E. Ndewo. Onye na-arụ ọrụ. The answer is D. 39. 39 answer is D, which is Jisie ike. Alright. Okay, number 40. What is the name of goat in Igbo? Goat. What is the name of goat in Igbo? A. Atụrụ, B. Ejule, C. Ewu, D. Mbe, E. Okay, the answer is Ewu, which is C. C, the answer is what? Ewu. Alright, this is where we'll stop for today. In our next class, we'll start from number 41 and proceed. Thank you very much, and God bless you immensely. Please pursue knowledge. Oh, study. Show yourself approved. Thank you very much. All right.